Hi, I'm John with Dyke Industries. Today we're going to talk about a door slab replacement and the tools that you will need to do it. First off, an impact drill with the appropriate bit for what you're using it for, most times a Phillips bit. A drill driver to pre-drill for your hinge locations. Tape measure. A punch and a hammer to pop your hinge pins on the current door. Also a knife to undo the packaging on the new door slab. An important thing to remember before removing the old door is always inspect the new door slab. Make sure that it's the correct handing, the correct swing, the correct style, and most importantly, the correct size. So always start with loosening all the hinge pins, tapping them up, and then start by removing the bottom one first, then the middle, and remove the top pin last. So oftentimes you'll reuse the hinges, so go ahead and remove those. Just make sure that you keep track of all the hinges and the screws. So after the holes are pre-drilled for the hinges, go ahead and install the hinges on the new door slab. So now we'll go ahead and install the new door slab, putting it on the hinges and inserting the hinge pins, starting with the top pin first. Just take your hammer and lightly tap the hinge pins all the way in. So that's it for a door slab only replacement. Make sure you reinstall your hardware, and that's it. Thanks for watching.
For additional resources and planning tools, be sure to check out the Dyke Edge Door Configurator at dykedoors.com.